because I go more in the water, but I don't know if we can stand up. I don't know how to sit. So me one day too. My mother and my brother going on time for go you. Ooh, with the ground. Okay, I can stand up, man. Whoa, what a cold fart. Ooh. Oh, this feels like love. This feels like love. This feels like a good life. I'm supposed to live, Jesus. Hey, good morning YouTube family. Today we have another vlog. We have a day in the life. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a typical day in my life as a 26-year-old landlady living in Kingston, Jamaica. And today we have a few things on the agenda. It's Saturday. I really wanted to pay my mortgage, but I went to Juve last night. When you see me in Juve, man, you don't know how it go. I will come in back 10 o'clock this morning, so I don't know when I catch the bank lock 1 o'clock. By the time I leave them, I wash after people that lock up them shop. So Monday morning, I go put some money on the mortgage. Today, however, we're going to make a visit to the property itself, and we're going to be doing some measurements. I want to install a grill just to improve my security. You guys know one of my main challenges in Jamaica is staying on top of security breaches. There is a lot of burglar in Kingston. There is just a whole lot of baga going down here, my love. So I'm gonna do some measurement, and then the next step is actually start contacting some welders so that we can get some estimates, go with the best pricing. And I'm also just going to check in on the tenants and just make sure that everything is up to par, actually with the building is up to par. And if there are any issues, then at least I can resolve them whilst I'm here. I haven't actually been able to show you guys this Airbnb because even though the property is absolutely perfect and it's everyone's dream to stay here for a few days, the hosting is quite, you know, questionable. It's not one of my most refined experiences, so I'm quite hesitant in showcasing the property because I wouldn't want you guys to book and not be fully satisfied, you know what I mean? So the property itself, nice, you know, is a 1-bedroom, fully serviced, fully air conditioned. We have heated water, 24-hour security. We have a pool that's always open. We have washer dryer, the whole works. And it's literally in the middle of Kingston. Uncorked is walking distance. Sovereign is no more than 8 minutes walk from me. So I've been able to do a lot staying here. But when we first got here, I wanted to do some laundry because you guys know I've been hopping all around the island. The people them lock up the laundry room with key. We have to go ask security for opening it. So I ask security, 1 hour pass, I know the man can't reach. We have to message the host. Secondly, we have to ask for the Wi-Fi. Them never send with the Wi-Fi details in like an instruction pack. You know, usually when you book by Airbnb, you get like a host guide or like, you know, like a manual as to how to use the home, how to facilitate the space. We never get nothing like that. So come and I try buckle shuffle and I figure it out myself. I mean, I really like them things that, you know, I like easy peasy, lemon squeezy lifestyle. So that happened, and to some people I know that minor, but when you pay this price and you expect luxury building, you also want the luxury service to match it. And then what else happened? Oh, the other thing that was quite upsetting is when we initially checked in, we had queried whether we could check in earlier, and the host informed us that if we were to check in prior to the check-in time, which is 3 p.m, we had a grace period to check in an hour or two earlier, but anything before 12 o'clock we had to pay 30 US. So we said no, we're not going to pay the 30 US, we just want to check in an hour earlier. We got here 2:30, so even later than imagined. And you can believe, so we did lock out of the place. We did lock out for about 15 minutes because them have a time up on the door. You have to put in a code each time I come in, each time I come out. And our code didn't activate until 3 p.m. on the dot at check-in time. So that was quite mentally frustrating after commuting from however far. So those were my 3 like icks with this property, but I'll try to insert a few videos as to how it looks. And this is my balcony. It's a bit of a mess going on, but it's quite, it's the view is quite lovely, and the ambience of the place is impeccable. Guys, one of the problems at the property is that we have an issue with the toilet tank. It keeps on leaking. So I'm in this hardware plumbing store now by Manor Park to see if they have any of the kits, so I can just hire a plumber and get that sorted as soon as possible. Hey guys, I just finished viewing the property. Honestly, it's in such good shape, but there is a lot of improvements to be done, so I'm just made a full list, and I'm going to start contacting all the contractors, workmen, plumbers, and just like get it up to par in the next 3 months. Like, that's my goal. But now I'm only do this all because I've run out of minutes, so I'm here to just get some minutes and some You have to put it inside 6. Tell that to the judge. Huh? People, you're the Jamaican name. What's about me? She might have been somebody, but you're not serious. Really? I can look for me and not say me see. That is why little icky, nothing, clean stuff. People to the body. You're funny. Funny bad. Really? You have to left your mark? Make everybody know what time it is? No, because of the time. Today is Saturday. Really? Someone for the lock up in the house I cook and clean? No. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It can't be every time. What life me I live then? Me not live right? That is you have somebody a date for it. Serious. Sorry later. No, I find it like you can know it's well taken. Well taken care of? Of course. Yeah, sure. You have to well taken. I taken care of well taken. Just half of the market, so? Half of the market. Gone. Of course, half of the market. No. We can't tell you what happening at the session, get somebody but we don't serious. So like you don't know my life story better than me, man. Thank you. Thanks, much try. I'm glad to appreciate it. That is it. Me? Really? Young and fresh and ripe. Yes, still get them. Biggie that puts so he got half. Hey guys, we are going out for dinner today because I don't have any groceries to cook. And I'm also craving some seafood, so I just put on my Instagram for people to let me know where we can go for food. And most people suggested Lucky Crab, so we're gonna give that a go today. I'm honestly so proud of how the day went. It was such a productive day. I got to see the farm, visit my property, research the plumbing situation, and I'm also gonna be able to go to bed before 2 a.m., which hasn't happened in like 2 weeks. Like I just can't remember that. I mean, I had a full 8 hours like 3 nights ago, but since Carnival like kick-started, it's just been back to back. Like everyone's actually partying tonight. My cousin's friend's performing in Baltimore, so he's gone to that. And then my other friends are at Exodus Remedy, so make anyone vlog no, I'm gonna sleep. I'm probably sleeping and wake up and edit the vlog, but I just want to update some one. And I'll show you guys what dinner is like. So see you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Guys, I'm good enough. My voice can't cover, you know. The constant up and down there every morning. I'm actually having a headache right now, so bye. Oh, here it is.